How to unlike all your liked videos on TikTok at once. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, start by opening your TikTok application and click on these three bars on the top right and go for the setting and privacy. Once you are enter here, you have to scroll all the way down to this report problem. Simply click on that. And you will be taken to their help center. So what you have to do is here simply again scroll all the way down to this submit our report. So simply click on that and you have to type this message that I want to unlike all my liked videos on TikTok. So you have to simply type this message here and click on this submit on the bottom. And after that, the officials of the TikTok will gonna reach you out. So after that, you're gonna unlike all your videos at once by their assistance. So that's how basically you can unlike all your liked videos on TikTok.